ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు కెరీర్ గైడ్ బై శైలు. ఈ ఛానల్ని కనుక మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం విజిట్ చేసినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, అలాగే లైక్ చేయండి, పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Hello everyone, in today's session we are going to discuss about laws of exponents. So the first one is multiplication rule. So I'll explain the rule and along with that one example. For suppose a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to, here bases are same, so powers should be added. So a to the power of m plus n. So let us take an example, that is 2 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of 2 is equals to, here bases are same, that is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to 2 to the power of m plus n is the formula. So 2 to the power of 5 plus 2. So how much is the answer? 2 to the power of 7 is the answer. And I am giving one question as homework, that is 3 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 4 is equals to how much? Tell me the answer in my comment section. And next one is division rule. In this, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. This is a to the power of m by a to the power of n. So here also bases are same, but this power will go to the numerator and it will be subtracted, a to the power of m minus n. Let us take an example, that is 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 2 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 2 to the power of 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 how much? 2. 2 to the power of 2 is the answer. This is division rule. And next one is exponent. That is a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. And next one is negative rule. That is a to the power of minus 1 is equals to 1 by a. For suppose 2 to the power of
మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి
minus 1 is equals to 1 by
మీకు ఒకవేళ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే మీరు కూడా రిజిస్టర్ అనేది అవ్వండి.
And the final one is a to the power of m n is equals to a to the power of m n. For suppose 2 to the power of 3 into 5 is equals to 2 to the power of 3 into 5. So I hope everyone is clear with these rules, that is multiplication, division, exponent, negative and a to the power of m to the power of n. So please do like, share and subscribe to me. So here is a homework for you, that is a few questions based on the laws. So answer these questions in the comment section. Suppose 2 to the power of 7 into 2 to the power of 8 is equals to how much? And next one, 3 to the power of minus 1, 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 2 is equals to, and 2 to the power of 3 is equals to. So answer these questions and subscribe to Career Guide by Shailu. Thank you for watching.